Alright, today we get to re-tap a spark plug hole in an 03 Mustang GT. They're kind of known for stripping out in the cylinder head. We got super lucky in that it's the back port. Just joking, it's not really super lucky, but we got this $80 kit from Amazon. So we're really going to try it out, see what happens here. We got some grease to put on the threads, so to catch some of the shavings. We've already hooked up the air hose here. So that'll go down inside the hole. Hook it up to your air line. Turn your crank until this pops out of the hole. So once it pops out of the hole, you know your valves are closed. Then we got a little bore scope. I got this off Amazon too. It's like maybe 30-35 bucks. Hooks up to your phone, USB there. That's pretty nice. Got a little control knob. Flip cameras. It's a dual camera, one on the front, one on the side, and then a little roller, brightness, dim. So we already stuck that down the hole. Make sure our piston is far enough down that we won't hit it. And so we're ready to drill out the threads. So here's the bit. We got to put the lock ring in there yet, so that's so it doesn't go down too deep. Same with this one here. We'll go on there. We got to make sure which one it goes on, top or bottom. Here's the new sleeve. Your spark plug will screw into that, and this screws into your head. Yeah, so there's that. This here's the collar. You'll put this down in the hole. This kind of butts up. I'll show you in a second. That will go down in there, and obviously it'll go down to your locking ring, and that's just how deep it'll let it go, so you don't drill down too deep or all the way through and hit your piston. So there's that. Let's show you where this goes. So we may have to take this hose off, we'll see, but this goes, you kind of see that flat edge goes against the flat edge here. So that'll go in there just like that. And then we'll, like I said, we'll drill that out. Alright, so with the instructions through here, you don't put the clip in this ring, you use this pin to bottom out. You do put the locking ring on this top one. It says closest to the hex. However, these things are a little bit wider than this groove, which maybe isn't surprising with a cheaper kit. So I'll put that on there. We're getting ready to drill this out. This is a 1/2 inch end. Alright, got 2 extensions, 1/2 inch socket. We're going to drill down the tap until it bottoms out on that peg there. We'll bottom out on that sleeve or collar. Since the ring wouldn't fit in this groove, the groove's thinner than the ring, I just we screwed this all the way down until that lined up with the top of the sleeve. So that actually got down all the way to the bottom of the sleeve. Now we're gonna back this back out. You do or should put cutting oil on this tap, and I put some grease on it too to hopefully catch some of the shavings. about to get it back out. Should be threaded. There it is in all the shavings. So, pull that out of there. Now we'll hose it down with some brake cleaner. Take the air hose to it. Try to get all the shavings out of the cylinder. I'll show you. Tapping up here, we got the new. It comes with 8, so you can do this to every cylinder. Hopefully, it never happens 8 different times. We got some red high temp thread locker on there, and we'll thread that all the way down in there here in just a few minutes. Alright, there's all the metal shavings that we got blown up out of there. We got the sleeve and the spark plug with the high temp thread lock in there. Now we'll put this back in there, get it locked into place. Screwed down there. I gotta take that little screw out there. Get that back in. Feels like it's kind of turn it. Then put this back in. And once we get this tightened down, then we'll take the air hose and blow all the chunks out. We just don't want to do that beforehand because you don't want them to go back down on the hole. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, question. I'll leave the part number to the kit we used down in the description. Thank you.